making the world premiere today, the Coupe and the Cabriolet.
From a design perspective, the car just looks awesome. It just feels right in every dimension. There's a new redesigned front. The chassis is a little bit lower. On the inside, you know, everything refreshed. There's nothing better on a sunny day than having the roof down, the wind going through your hair. This is when driving is absolutely the funnest. But just in case you need a little bit more horsepower, then we have a C43 AMG for you. And with that car, you can put some serious rubber on the road.